Check if user is following user. I have a detail view which renders the profile page like so. The user model contains fields about the user like ID, username, email, password. I also have another model that has a one-to-many relationship with this user model. It shows who the user is following like so. Inside my template, I have the following logic. I'm trying to check if the user is following that specific user. However, even though it should be true, the follow input button is shown instead. What is wrong with my logic? Why isn't the following input button being shown instead?
The problem is user_profile.followers.all will return list of following instances, not users. And so user and user_profile.followers.all will not work. You can check follower with this query. Since you cannot use this query in template, you can override get_context_data and put result into context. Not in template, use variables _follower instead.
Himalayas 1,